Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and in today's video, I'm excited to review a few of my favorite cigar smoking accoutrements. Now today's video is focused on one of our little known suppliers here on KirbyAllison.com, El Casco. It is a Spanish company that started in 1920 as a manufacturer of revolvers and then ultimately evolved into a maker of some of the finest desk accessories in the world. And now they have what I would call a singular claim to fame, and that they in fact make what is my favorite cigar cutter in all of the world, this beautiful El Casco lever-actioned cigar cutter. Now, anyone that is, has experience smoking cigars will look at this thing and think immediately that it is absolutely ridiculous. And in many ways, you wouldn't be wrong for thinking that. Compared to other cigar cutters that are out there in the marketplace, this looks more like a desk accessory or a stapler than it does a cigar cutter. And you're right for thinking that, actually, because this cigar cutter is actually based on a design of a stapler that El Casco makes as well. And I don't know whose brilliant idea it was, as they were maybe smoking a cigar at their desk, looking at this stapler, maybe fumbling around, cutting their cigar with some inadequate cigar cutter, that had them say, you know what, this would make a beautiful cigar cutter. That gentleman, hats off to him, because he was right. This is actually a fantastic cigar cutter, and it is exactly because of that lever action. The same magnification of force that allows you to staple a staple allows this beautiful cigar cutter to produce some of the smoothest and cleanest cuts of any cigar cutter I've ever seen, and that's even compared to really good cutters like those that we carry from SD DuPont. Now again, it is that lever action, right, magnifying that force that creates that cut. And although it is a rather large cigar cutter, maybe best as a office or desk cutter than something that you're carrying around in your pocket, although I do travel with this in my briefcase. This is an exceptional accessory that shouldn't be overlooked because of its unconventional size. We're going to demonstrate this in a second. Now this is shown here in a beautiful gold plate, but it is also available in a chrome plate as well if gold doesn't strike your fancy. Now I love gold, and as you can see, I've got a glorious collection of gold accessories right here, and so I love this particular color. But gold isn't for everyone, and I understand that. Now there's a few other great accessories from El Casco. We've got a small, really small assortment from them. One of the most recent we added was this beautiful desk ashtray. Again, it is not an inexpensive ashtray, but it is a beautiful ashtray, the way that this beautiful gold plate brass lid very easily sets inside that ashtray, which itself is a separate piece of glass that sits inside yet another piece. But what this is for right here is anyone that, again, smokes cigars, and especially smokes cigars inside, knows that the worst part of smoking a cigar is the smell of the ash. It's not the smoke that bothers people, well, it bothers some people, but it's not the smoke as much as it is the actual ash of the cigar. And if you are smoking and are finished, extinguish your cigar and get up and leave, and you leave your ashes exposed, it is actually that ash that'll make the room stink more than anything else. It's not the cigar smoke. And so what this does is it allows you to smother out and really seal that ashtray so that if you don't have an opportunity to take this out and dump the ashes, hopefully outside of your house, then you can simply seal this off and not have to worry about it. So it's actually a very nice feature. Now on the side right here, there is a little accessory that can hold matches, table matches. Again, it's a little antiquated in my opinion. I light most of my, if not all of my cigars using a lighter. So this isn't something I'd really use, but that said, it just very easily unscrews like this. And there you go. You can set that aside if you're not much of a match person. And now I said I was going to demonstrate this, and so I will for you right here. The only thing that is important for this particular cutter is to make sure that it is oriented in the hand correctly. So you want the levered portion of the handle to be in your fingers with the part that is not meant to move in the palm of your hand. Now if you turn this around like this, right, then what happens is as you are squeezing the handle and triggering that action, you have this entire plate moving, and inevitably what happens is it completely destroys that otherwise beautiful cut. So you need to make sure that you have this oriented correctly. Then as you're pulling that lever, the actual cutter itself is not moving in the hand. So I'm gonna demonstrate it right here. This is one of my favorite Partagas Aristocrats. And again, you just commit to it, and there you go. Perfect cut every single time. One of the things I also like about it is you can't overcut the cigar because you can only insert it into the hole right here so far. So it ensures that, again, you've got that perfect cut every single time. It's only a straight cut, but honestly, that is my cut of choice. And there you have it. Again, since I am going through a very strong gold plate phase, I wanted to show you this beautiful SD DuPont Linea 2 vertical lines. Again, it's not the perfect ping, it's just the ping, but that dual soft flame, really something beautiful. So, you know, these accessories right here, again, kind of all in that gold plate, really is beautiful. We carry this both in gold plate and chrome plate as well. So if you're not a gold guy, don't worry. But there's one last accessory from El Casco. It's an interesting accessory that you wouldn't necessarily think that you'd find here on KirbyAllison.com. It's something that I bought a little bit on a whim, call it an impulse buy, but then once I had the opportunity to use it, completely ruined me. It was something that I never ever could have really expected how incredible this is. Just like, again, that cigar cutter, this ashtray, this pencil sharpener. Yes, a pencil sharpener, not an inexpensive pencil sharpener. It is the pencil sharpener to end all pencil sharpeners. Now this has a little suction cup on the bottom that allows it to securely attach to your desk. A beautiful little thing on the side. It opens up, allowing you to insert your pencil. I have one of my favorite, this is a black wing pencil. So as far as pencil sharpeners go, there's nothing particularly special about how this works. It sharpens the pencil, but it's the way in which that point is produced that is completely unique. I've never seen anything like it. So we're just gonna simply sharpen the pencil. Got a little bit more to go. So if you look at this right here, it produces a concave point. So it's not one of those completely linear points that comes to like a needle, fine needle point at the end, that the moment that you put it to paper immediately breaks. A very interesting characteristic, and you might think that that's absolutely crazy. Any pencil sharpener would do, and you're absolutely right. But if you're someone that spends a lot of time drafting or drawing, or just someone that enjoys writing with the pencil, this, I have to say, has been one of those things that in total honesty and transparency, I didn't think that I would enjoy as much as I have ended up enjoying. So there we have it. A few accessories from El Casco, again, made in Spain. Incredible manufacturer of desk accessories. We have a small collection right here. You know, this El Casco cigar cutter is one of my standard gifts that I give away at any opportunity. It brings me such joy. We've got the El Casco ashtray. We've got a little cameo for my SD DuPont gold vertical lines. And then of course right here, that El Casco pencil sharpener. Again, available both in chrome and gold. So let me know what you think in the comments section below. Of course, all these products are available online at KirbyAllison.com. If you haven't visited KirbyAllison.com, please take a moment to do so. Of course, it's the best way to support the content that we film here on this channel. There you'll find the largest collection of luxury garment care, luxury shoe care accessories in the world, as well as other great clothing accessories like this sovereign grade necktie, braces, pocket squares, cufflinks, over-the-calf dress socks, smoking accoutrement, really so much more. So make sure you go around, spend a little bit of time exploring online at KirbyAllison.com. Of course, I'm Kirby Allison, and I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition. Thanks for watching today's video.